Good morning, student. Today we discuss the new syllabus which is provided by the CBSE Information Technology 402 Class 10 Session 220 and 21. As we know that the syllabus is reduced by 30% in each subject. So in Information Technology the syllabus is also reduced by 30%. Today we will discuss what we have to study in this session 2020 and 21. So in this session we will discussing that the syllabus is divided into two parts, that is part A and part B. So in first part we have to study about the employability skills. In employability skills we have to study the 5 units. In unit 1 we have to study communication skill. In unit 2 we have to study self-management skill. In unit 3 we have to study information and communication technology skills. In unit 4 entrepreneurial skills, and unit 5 we have to study green skills. In part B we have to study digital documentations. Unit 2 electronic spreadsheet. Unit 3 database management system, and last unit we have to study web applications and security. If we are comparing the syllabus from 2019 and 20, then syllabus will be same, but it will be reduced by 2 chapters. Unit 4 digital presentations and unit 5 email messaging has been reduced. This chapter is deleted from the CBSE. This chapter is deleted. So now we have to study only this much. Unit 4 web application security. So this is the new syllabus of the CBSE. If we discuss about the detailed syllabus of the chapters, then here is the details of the chapter. In digital documentations advanced, we have to study create and apply styles in the document. In create and apply style in the document we have to study style categories in Word, style formatting, field format, creating and updating new style from the selection, load style from templates or another document, creating new style using drag and drop box, applying style. So this is the details syllabus of digital documentation first, and in second part in the same chapter we have to study insert and use of images in a document. In this chapter we will learn how to insert and how we can use the images in a document. So what we have to study: option to insert image to document from various sources, option to modify, resize and crop, delete an images, drawing objects and its properties, creating drawing objects and changing its properties, resizing the grouping, drawing objects, position images in the text. And in third part, create and use template. In this we learn how to create a template and how to use the template. Template is nothing but it is a ready-made thing where we have to only fill the data, and all the designing already made at here. So first we have to learn what is template, using predefined template, how we can use the predefined templates, creating a templates, how we can create ourselves a new template, set up a custom default template, how we can set a custom template, updating document, changing to a different template using the template. And in the fourth part we have to study create and customize table of content. So table of content, hierarchy or heading, customization of table content, character style, maintain a table of content. In fifth part, we have to study implement mail merge. Advanced concept of mail merge in word processing. Creating a main document, creating the data sources, entering the data, merging the data source with main document, editing individual document, printing a letter and its address label. And in the second unit, we have to study electronic spreadsheet. So analyze data using scenario and goal seek, using consolidating data, creating subtotal, how we can create a subtotal from consolidated data, using what if scenario, and so using what if tool, using goal seek and solver. Here we can use a goal seek, what if conditions and other things. Link data in spreadsheet, how we can link a multiple sheet. So setting up multiple sheet, creating reference to other sheet by using a keyboard and mouse, creating reference to other document by using keyboard and mouse, relative and absolute hyperlink to the sheet, linking to external data and linking to registered data sources. So this is the linking part where we can study how we can link number of sheets, multiple sheets, and spreadsheet also, how we can link spreadsheet also. The third is share and review a spreadsheet. Setting up a spreadsheet for sharing, opening and saving a shared spreadsheet, recording changes, add, edit and format the comment, reviewing changes, view, accept and reject changes, merging and comparing. In the next part, we have to study create and use of macros in a spreadsheet. Using macro recorder, creating a simple macro, using macro as a function, passing argument to a macro, passing the argument to areas values, macro to work like built-in functions, accessing cell directly, sorting the column using macro. So we learned what the macros. Next is database management system. Appreciate the concept of database management system. So first we have to understand what is the database management system. So concept and examples of the data and information. Concept of database, advantage, what are the advantages of the database, features of the database. Concept and examples of the relations database. Concept and examples of field, record, table databases. Concept and examples of primary key, composite, primary key, foreign key, relation database management system. Create and edit table wizard using SQL command. Introduction to RDBMS, database object, table, queries, form and reports of the database, term in database, table, field, record. Steps to create a table using table wizard, data types in base, option to set a primary key, table key, view dialog box, DDL command. Perform operation on table, inserting data in the table, editing record in the table, deleting record in the table, how we can insert the record in a table, how we can edit, means what we have to change in a record. We can also change the record in a table, delete the record, and sorting data, the table referential integrity, and we can also sort the data either in ascending order or in descending order. Creating and editing the relationships, one to one, one to many, many to many, and field properties. Retrieve data using query, how we can access data by writing the query. So we will learn database query, how what is database query, defining query, query creation using wizard, creation of query using design view, editing a query, applying criteria in query, single field, multiple field using window card, performing calculation, grouping of data structure, query language, SQL. Create form and report using wizard. Form in base, how we can create form and reports using wizard. Form in base, creating form using wizard. Steps to create form using form wizard. Option to enter or remove data from form, modifying form, changing label, background, searching record using form, inserting and deleting record using form view, concept report in base, creating report using wizard, steps to create report using wizard. And in the last unit we have to study web application and security. So in first chapter we have to study it with working with accessibility options, understanding various types of impairment that impact computer uses, computer accessibility dialog box and its tab, serial key. In the next chapter we have to study understand network fundamental, network in its types, client server architect, peer-to-peer, internet, world wide web, benefits of networking, internet, getting access to internet, terminology, some of the commonly used internet connectivity options, data transfer on the internet. And in the third chapter we have to study introduction to instant messaging, learn key features of instant messaging, creating an instant messaging account, launching Google Talk, signing into Google Talk account, how we can launch Google Talk and how we can sign into the Google Talk account, chatting with contact Google Talk, how we can chat, learn to chat with contact that is already added to your contact list, sending text chat messages instantly by double clicking on the contact, general rule of etiquettes to be followed while chatting on various types of messengers, creating and publishing web pages, blogs, how can we can create a blog, learn and appreciate blog and its creation with the help of some blog providers, set up title and other parameters in blog posting comments using offline blog editor. In the next session we have to study using offline blog editor, concept to create blog using a blog application and publish the blog whenever internet connectivity is available, online transaction, concept of e-commerce, as we already know how to purchase online, how we do online shopping, how we purchase goods from online, that is called the online transaction or e-commerce, concept of e-commerce and various online application, importance of secure password, what are the importance of secure password, how we can make our password secure, internet security, need of internet security, why we need internet security, cyber threat like phishing, email spoofing, chair spoofing, etc., best practices of internet security and secure password, concept of browser, cookies, backup, antivirus, cleaning data in browser, how we can clean the data in browser, maintain workplace safety, basic safety rules to follow at workplace, fire safety, falls of sleeps, electrical safety, use of first aid, case study, hazardous situations, prevent accidents and emergencies, types of accidents, handling accidents and types of emergencies, protect health and safety at work, hazards and source of hazards, general evacuation procedures, healthy living. So this is the new syllabus of the Information Technology 402. So we will learn about this in details in the next videos one by one. Thanks for watching our videos.